Hey there, welcome to Beautyistic. Whether you're a parent on the lookout for a fun way to get your kids brushing, or you just love finding new and innovative products, today's review is definitely one for you. We're checking out the Oral-B Kids Battery Toothbrush featuring Marvel's Spider-Man. And trust me, this little brush has a lot more to offer than just a cool superhero theme. Let's start with the basics. The Oral-B Kids Battery Toothbrush is specifically designed for children aged 3 and up. It features soft bristles that provide a gentle clean, which is perfect for delicate gums and small teeth. The brush is designed with a rotating power head that surrounds and cleanses multiple surfaces of the teeth at once. One of the key features that caught my eye is the raised center row bristles, which are great for cleaning the chewing surfaces of the teeth. Something a lot of kids miss with traditional brushing. This toothbrush is also compatible with the Disney Magic Timer app, which helps kids track how long they brush, making it a fun and interactive way to encourage them to brush longer and more effectively. I mean, who wouldn't want to brush alongside Spider-Man, right? Now let's talk about the real-world experience. The brush is lightweight and easy for little hands to hold, making it user-friendly for toddlers and young children. The extra soft bristles are gentle, but still do a great job of cleaning. We tested it out during a few different times of day, mornings before school and before bed, and found it was easy to incorporate into our routine. In terms of usability, the toothbrush is simple to operate with just one button. No complicated settings, no confusing steps, just turn it on and it's ready to go. The design is lightweight enough for small hands to manage, so your child won't struggle to hold it. Plus, having Spider-Man on the handle makes brushing a bit more exciting. But let's get into the pros and cons. First, the pros. The brush definitely makes brushing more fun, which is crucial for encouraging kids to maintain a healthy dental routine. The bristles are soft and gentle, and the rotating head works well to clean multiple surfaces. I also really appreciate how easy it is for kids to use, which helps eliminate that common battle many parents face when it's time to brush. And the fact that it syncs with the Disney Magic Timer app is a real bonus for making brushing feel like a game. Now for the cons. If I'm being nitpicky, it's worth noting that it's a battery-powered toothbrush, so you'll need to keep an eye on battery life. While it's great for kids, the rotating head might not give as thorough a clean as a more advanced electric toothbrush. This might be a drawback if your child needs a deeper clean or has more specific dental needs. When it comes to value for money, it's pretty good. Given that it's designed for children and comes with some extra features, the price is reasonable. The toothbrush might not offer all the bells and whistles of higher-end models, but for the target age group and its gentle cleaning power, it's certainly worth it. Plus, the fact that it makes brushing fun will encourage consistent use, which is invaluable for kids. There are a few alternatives out there, but if you're looking for a toothbrush specifically designed for younger kids and one that includes an app to encourage longer brushing sessions, this one is a solid choice. There are some other kid-friendly electric toothbrushes, but this one stands out with the Spider-Man design and the Magic Timer feature. The build quality seems durable for a kid's toothbrush, and it's easy to replace the batteries. It's not exactly something you'd expect to last for years, but for the price, it holds up well. I'd say it should last a few months before needing a battery replacement, depending on usage. As for customer support, I didn't have any direct interaction, but Oral-B has a pretty good reputation when it comes to handling inquiries and issues. If you do run into any problems, I'd expect them to be responsive. In conclusion, the Oral-B Kids Battery Toothbrush with Marvel's Spider-Man is a fantastic choice if you're trying to make brushing fun and easy for your little ones. It's simple to use, gentle on sensitive gums, and offers a playful incentive to keep kids brushing longer. While it may not give the same depth of clean as more expensive electric models, it certainly does its job well for the intended age group. If this review was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers and parents can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried this toothbrush, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear how your kids are enjoying their brushing sessions. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.